In this video, I'm going to show you a representation on how the skin looks like when it's wrinkled. Let's say when we outline on the wrinkled lips and we want to create a beautiful straight line. So if we go over the wrinkle, because the skin, it's actually inside, so there is a risk of going deeper. So let's say if we outline, we run into the situation of running deeper inside the wrinkle, to depositing the pigment too deep. So what I do whenever I work with lips that have wrinkles, what I do, I outline, and then the moment I get closer to a wrinkle, I skip it and then I go next. Later on when I shade, that's when I will go over this, because shading, it is so much more softer versus an outline is. So I hope that this is a good tip for you.